Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to go back deleted passwords app in iPhone iOS 18. So the password application is one of the most talked about app or addition to the new iOS 18. And now if the password application is missing on your iPhone like this, then this video is going to walk you through how to get it back step by step. So if you come to App Library and then search for the password app like this, then you discover that the password application is not available, then how do you get this back? So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do when you want to get back the password app in iPhone on your iOS 18 is go ahead and open the App Store. Now once you open the App Store, you want to click on the spotlight search at the bottom right, then search for the passwords app. So literally the password app is under utilities on the category section of your iPhone on iOS 18. So just search through the password apps here, and then if you couldn't find the password application, then just delete this and then search for only passwords. Now you should see the password application like this, and if you can search the app category, then you can just go to app, then sort the category by going to utilities. Then under utilities you cannot have access to the password application on your iPhone, but since you can easily search for it, there's no need to go through the utility space, but the app is under utility on your iPhone. So just go ahead and search for the password application, and once you search for it, if you deleted the application yourself, then you should see it in a cloud form. Or if the application is missing or it's not installed on your iOS 18 by default, just go ahead and click on the get button and follow the prompt. Then once you hit the cloud icon or get button, then you should see the password application installed on your iPhone iOS 18 again. Then you can just go ahead, open it, then confirm with your Face ID. Then you should see welcome to password app. So go ahead and then click on continue, then continue. Do you want to allow this password application to send notification? You may allow or not. So that's it. So that is basically how to get back deleted password app in iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.